What's going on, guys? Back here, Premier Auto Detailing, Kingman, Arizona. We just got some stuff in from FedEx I'm super excited about. We did some upgrades, and so we're going to do some unboxing and check everything out. I have some stuff that came in from Aqua Pro. I've been using their steamer for quite a long time, I think about 1.5 years, 2 years. I upgraded from a metallic 1385, and it's much nicer, I think. It's definitely worth the money. This is their accessory bag. This is a waterproof canvas bag. Put all your accessories in there. It's got a drawstring. Super exciting, guys. Alright, fresh off the top. Got the owner's manual, user's manual, for the Aqua Pro vacuum carpet extractor. Seems to be packaged really well. Got it all encased in foam. It's going to be your feed and extraction tube. So they're held together, outside line for the supply line. Two metal extension pipes. This is, a lot of people use this as one of the more common upgrades for auto detailing for carpet extracting and shampooing. But it also comes with the poles and a 10-inch head so that you can actually use it on your carpets at home, or an area rug if you do carpet cleaning, something like that. So you can use it for both, and then it also has the smaller wand for doing auto detailing, or if you were doing like a couch or something as well. So you can kind of use it for a lot of different things. It's one of the reasons I liked it. That, and there's just a really good company. It's got a pretty decent amount of weight to it. I don't remember the weight off the top of my head. I'll try and tag it in the video, but it definitely has some pretty good weight. It feels very sturdy. Overall first appearance, wheels seem good and solid. Latches, they're really good quality. Nice lid. Here is your extension, or your wider wand for vacuuming if you're doing floors, carpeting. Is the smaller one that you would use for auto detailing. It's nice, it's lightweight, clear plastic, so you can actually see what you're extracting. Useful. I've used some of the ones that were all metal and you actually couldn't see through it. It made it a little bit tougher because you couldn't actually see that you were pulling clean water back out to know that you should move on. So having the clear head is really kind of a big part. Plus it's much lighter than plastic. And here you have your empty dump tank. And also your fill tank, so you're going to put your clean solution. Feels like it has really good seating. Does it sound really good? You can see your water supply line is a quick disconnect. It also comes with a little plug, so you can protect the inside, keep any dirt or debris out of there when you're not using it. And then obviously your suction liner is going to go in here as well. Pretty basic. Gonna go ahead and get this thing set up, and stay tuned, and I'll have some more videos, kind of first use, what are my first thoughts on an impression and how good does it do, and if it's worth it. And don't forget to like and subscribe. We are going to have some giveaways coming up in the near future, so definitely subscribe to the channel if you're not already. And if you know anybody else that likes watching this kind of content, go ahead and share with them as well. Thanks, guys.